Welcome to Barricade Rides, videos for motorcycle enthusiasts. Got another great video for you today. We are going to be installing a new part from Kemimoto. This is a part that is relatively similar to stock, but I want it in a certain color and I haven't been able to find this stock part in the color I'm looking for. But sure enough, they came up with it. And now I'm looking forward to installing it. So let's roll that intro. So we got the part right here. I want to talk just a moment about Kemimoto. Kemimoto is an up-and-coming company that creates all kinds of motorcycle parts, filling all kinds of needs that many of us bikers need, whether it's heated gloves, protective equipment, storage. They make cool things like saddlebag coolers, which you can just store your adult beverages in ice. So once you get to your spot, you can stop, have a beer. And they also create other parts as well. This one I'm pretty stoked on. I've been trying to get my hands on a set for a while. So these are the Kemimoto mirrors. So they look a lot like the stock ones. They're shorter right here. The reason why I want them shorter there is because I want to run them underneath. So the plan is to install these underneath, so that way I can look underneath my wrist, get a good view and whatnot. And they're black and they look like the stock ones. That's all I wanted. Like, I got these square ones, they're cool and all, they're just not my thing, and I'm really stoked to get my hands on a set of these. Alright, I'm gonna start by removing the mirror. Gotta make sure my hand guards don't fall off, because they are connected through the mirror. Alright, got the mirror removed. And now to install the new one. There was a little spacer on the stem of the mirror. I had to remove it. It wouldn't fit in with it on. So obviously it's made to be removed if needed. So now I'm gonna try to adjust it to where I can see. And just like that, got a great view. Like, I like this mirror. It's all right. It's not exactly what I'm looking for. When I put it underneath, I can't see anything. Maybe it's my height, maybe my arms are in the way or something, but I can't see with them. But the way my hands are set up right now, like, I can see perfect in my mirror. Alright, I got them both on there now. So I'm gonna make a few minor adjustments to it to get them situated to my preferences, and then I'm gonna show you how the final product looks. Some people may be thinking, why Kemimoto? Why these mirrors? My style, I like it clean, simple, and black. I've looked at a lot of great mirrors out there. Harley makes some good ones. CMC Motorsports, their gangster mirrors are absolutely gorgeous. But the price is a bit out of my price range, especially for mirrors. That's just me. These mirrors that Kemimoto sent me are absolutely fantastic. Like, they're perfect. They're exactly what I want. Perfect for me. I'm really digging them. So they're not everybody's style, but these things, they're definitely my style. I'm super happy with them. I think these might be the mirrors I use through the end of this build. So I got some Biltwell T-bars to install soon. It's another reason why I went with these. So the Paul Yaffe monkey bars are coming off. I'm using a 14-inch tall pullback, the Tyson Biltwell bars. It's going to change my bike significantly, and these mirrors definitely fit my vision for them. Couldn't be happier with them. If you like this content, please like, comment, subscribe, help us grow this channel. We're about to hit 3,000 subscribers, which is absolutely huge. I could never have imagined making it this far in a year and a half of doing YouTube. So everybody who's subscribed, watch my videos or anything, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate and love every single one of you. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell, because we're doing a 3,000 subscriber giveaway soon. So you don't want to miss the video and be entered in for a chance to win some awesome prizes. And as always, brothers and sisters, stay safe and ride your ride.